Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to put a solid state drive into a Mac Pro. This is the 2012 edition. Things you'll need is a solid state drive, generally come in 2.5 inch. You'll need either a 2.5 inch sled to put the hard drive on, or you'll need a 3.5 to 2.5 adapter, so you can mount it on the Mac Pro sleds that come with the computer. And you will also need a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, so firstly, we need to take the side off. You just undo the slot here, lift from the top, and then slide out. So today we'll be putting the drive into slot bay 1, which is this one here. To pull the drive out, you simply lift that out. To do this, you have to make sure that your locking arm is open, otherwise the drives will be locked in, as shown by the orange markers up here. Okay, so what we'll be doing is my slot 2 is empty. I'll be pulling that out. I'll be putting my drive that was in slot 1 into slot 2, and we need to mount the solid state drive into the custom sled, which is a OWC mount. So drive facing up with the edge facing up. Drive needs to go in there, and the drive needs to be screwed in. The screws that I have came with the custom mount from OWC. I'll put the link in the description. So you just need to pop the screws in there. Just ensure you don't do them too tight, just snug, but you don't want to do them too tight. Otherwise you may damage the drive or strip the screws. So it should be mounted snugly in like that, drive facing up, with the SATA ports to the right. And then when you do that, spin it around, you should see the bottom of the drive, and you should see the connectors facing you, with the sled arm facing down. And it just needs to slide into these two slots here and here, in like that, push it down, and then it should just slot straight in like that, and it'll clip in. Okay, so you no longer need this if you have that mount, but if you have bought a 2.5 to 3.5 inch adapter for your hard drive, it will simply, the solid state drive will simply slot into that, and then the adapter will slot into these 4 screws here. And then you can put your door back on with the lip in there, like that, drop it down, push the corners in, and lock. That's it guys. So if you have any questions, post them in the comments area.